I would like to explain to you how to perform perineal massage to avoid episiotomy and tearing during childbirth. The goal, as I said, is this. Episiotomy is a cut made in the wall of the vagina when the baby cannot come out, and tearing is when it happens naturally without the use of a scalpel. How are we going to do it? We will start the perineal massage from week 36. We will use water-based lubricant. We will not do it for more than 10 minutes, and it is better to do it on alternate days. We will use the index and middle fingers. If our partner performs the massage, or we do it ourselves, we would use the thumb. It is true that it is much easier for someone else to perform the massage because it can be quite difficult for you to do it yourself starting from week 36. If our partner performs the massage, we will explain to them how to do it. I will show you an image so you can see what your body looks like inside. This is where the episiotomy or tearing usually occurs. This is the muscle we have in the perineum. We will tell the partner to gently insert their index and middle fingers into the vagina. Remember, always use a little water-based lubricant first. We will put the fingers flat, not in a claw shape, because this sensation is uncomfortable. We will massage, stretching and elongating a part of the vaginal wall. Then we will move to the other vaginal wall, to the other part, on the left side, and ask them to continue massaging in a U-shape throughout the vaginal cavity. That is, we will insert the fingers, work on one wall first, then the other wall, and then we will do the complete U-shape. With the finger that remains outside, we will tell them to pretend they are rolling a cigarette, and then work on the muscle both inside and outside. It will be the same on both sides of the vagina. And then we will remove the fingers and work on the superficial muscle. A quick recap, we will use water-based lubricant as I said, starting from week 36 on alternate days, and for no more than 10 minutes. We will work on one vaginal wall with 2 flat fingers, then the other part of the vagina and the complete U-shape. Then we will work on the muscle both inside and outside, as if rolling a cigarette, and finally, we will relax the superficial muscle. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Thank you.